Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make this roasted plantain in sauce, aka a bole, one of Nigeria's favorite street food. So guys, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be making use of ripe plantain. You can as well make use of ripe one if that's what you prefer. So today I'm going to be making use of ripe plantain. So first thing I did was to rinse my plantain. Then once I'm done rinsing, I'm just going to start peeling it one by one, just the way you are seeing on this video. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload, and to my OGs and my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep subscribing. I really do appreciate you all, okay? So now that I'm done peeling the plantain, I'm just going to start cutting it just the way you are seeing. So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done with the whole plantain. So guys, next thing is to add in a little salt in a bowl, then add water. I don't want to sprinkle the salt all over the plantain. I want to just mix the salt with water and start to apply it on the plantain so that everything will go in very well. So once I'm done with this, it's time to roast our plantain. So I'm going to be making use of an oven. So I'm going to arrange the plantain just the way you are seeing. Then I'll transfer it into an oven. So I'll let this roast for some minutes. then I'll come back and flip. Just start repeating the same process the way you are seeing on the screen, just the way I'm flipping. Once you allow the other side to roast, then turn to the other side until you get that perfect consistencies that you are looking for. So once that is in the oven, the next thing is to start to make our sauce. Here I have onions, bell peppers, habanero pepper, garlic and ginger. So I'm going to roughly blend it just like this. Then next thing is to add some vegetable oil into a clean pan. Then I'm going to let this hot for a while. Then I'll go in with the roughly blended pepper, onions, habanero pepper, ginger, long bell pepper and garlic. So I'm going to stir, then I will cover this to cook for a while. Okay. So after some minutes, I'm going to add in some thyme, salt, seasoning and curry powder. Then I'll add in a little water, then I will stir together. Then I'm going to cover this to cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes. And guys, this was so easy. This sauce was so easy to put together, and it was very delicious. So I'm just going to stir, then I will cover it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes, and voila, our sauce is ready and it was so yummy. And guys, so now that our sauce is ready, I'm just going to take it off the heat. Then I will bring out the plantain from the oven, and guys, it is ready. Then I will serve and enjoy. And this was so yummy, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.